Thanks for joining me today. I get to walk you through this 2025 Sea Ray SDX 25-foot Surf Edition. So 25-foot boat from Sea Ray, and this has the capability of surfing. Black bottom, white hull side. This does have a power tower on it, so hit a button and the tower goes down forward. As we come to the back here, you can see the Mercury Bravo 4S reverse drive, and then the ability to surf. You can see these are on the back right here, and then we'd also have underwater lights with this boat. It does have the drop down manual swim step, goes down into the water. Good, cool place to chill. We got the sea deck on the back. So why don't you join me aboard so we can check out the rest. All right, thanks for joining me aboard. As you can see, this does have the dune interior. We've got the nice sun pad back here. We do have your access to your batteries, charger, your battery switches, and for your tower. So as we come in, we've got the nice walk-through sea deck. As you can walk through, you don't have to step on any cushions. And as we step in, we've got a nice L-shaped seating back over here with the teak table. We've got nice deep storage underneath the seat right here. We've got storage underneath here. It does have a drain, so obviously you can use that as a cooler. Co-captain's chair with a bolster. Then we've got the captain's chair here with a bolster up. You can put that down if you'd like. And then the backrest does move. As we come to the helm, we've got two Simrad screens right here. A lot of information on those Simrads. And you've got some toggles right here. Trim tabs over there. And the digital throttle for the Merc. 6.2 liter, 300 horsepower. And then also active trim as part of that. Place for your phone to get charged. Got the key right there. Over here on the port side, we've got the Fusion stereo system head unit with speakers all over, and then a subwoofer underneath there, courtesy lighting. And then right here is the head, sink. Got some nice pads in here, storage. If somebody wanted to go down there and just take a little rest, there's enough room for that as well. Storage right there. Then we come to the bow, another table. So we got two teak tables, bow and cockpit. Storage underneath. Cup holders, speakers. And then in the bow, you have a bow ladder and a place for an anchor. So as I mentioned, this is a pre-owned 2025 SDX 250 from Sea Ray Surf Edition. It's here in our Rogers location. If you'd like to come take a look, stop by or give us a call and we can set up an appointment.